Sweet Guluva was like, I'm not wasting any time. I'm going to wear my t-shirt. This is my t-shirt. You guys, you ate my money. You guys stole my money. You loot my money. Now I'm going to wear this t-shirt. By force, I'm going to wear this t-shirt. Now he's wearing this t-shirt, man. Wow. He's looking so good. You know what? It's so amazing is that if you look at his hand, he's still having that sakila. That angazi sibiza ngesakila, but it's not a sakila, this one. I think it's called something else. But yeah, that stick is holding, bro. Imagine you've been given by your uncle this stick. I don't know his uncle or his brother, but I think it's uncle or his father, I don't know. So wow, seri, from Guluva.
Come here.
Hello.
What's going on?
It's because I've seen Guluva won Big Brother.
Oh, fuck, guys.
Yes. Take my number.
Papa, ini kesobonan ngalingi lang sobonan nga salelat. Nah, mata toma le. Ameso anga ta ni mengas. Ay sa tum na da papa in.